Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on EURUSD? I got a lot of requests for this update, but nothing really changed from our previous analysis. If you remember, we spoke about EURUSD when the market was around this area, and what did we say? We said after this move to the upside, we expect the market to respect this resistance and start a move to the downside, doing what? Creating basically this range. So starting to enter and confirm that basically we are actually in a ranging market. And in fact, that is exactly what the market had done. Because what did we want to see the market to actually respect this resistance? Let's go and see what we have from COT perspective, because anyway, we have to check it to see basically what kind of situation we can expect on EURUSD anyway. So let's go and see what we have from a COT perspective, both to understand why we wanted to see the market create this range and why basically what we can expect next for EURUSD. So if we go and get our COT data, okay, what we can take from it. So clearly what we can see, what did we want to see the market respect? That resistance, because during the move to the upside, we could see with the previous report that hedge funds had added another 4.4k short positions and closed 3,000 longs. So if a market that is moving to the upside, you see them close 3,000 longs and opening 4,000 shorts, definitely expect that resistance to hold and the market to start a move to the downside. And in that case, that would have triggered basically a ranging market, would have confirmed that the market actually was ranging. Now, at the moment, what we have from a EURUSD perspective, we know that basically they have added another 5,000 shorts, but at the same time, they added also some longs from which area? They added some longs during the move to the downside. So basically, what we can expect next. Now, at the moment, if the market is moving in a range, which are the only opportunities, basically, the only opportunities that we are interested in with students. We are only interested in WNF formations until the market remains inside of a range. Exactly as we said with the previous analysis, nothing really changed. What changed is that we have the possibility to create a W formation very soon. Now, first of all, we already identified these areas. This is the resistance, this is the support of the range, which was already a historical support here for EURUSD. Now, if the market, for example, here will create this W formation, ending up at this resistance, then we will be interested in shorting opportunities. If the market will create an F formation, then we will be interested in longing opportunities with the target at the neckline. So, until the market will remain inside of this area, if, for example, the market will make this push to the upside, fueled by the longs that basically they have opened, then what we will be doing? We will be monitoring price action with students inside of this area, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking this short with a very good risk to reward and probabilities for the move to the downside, because in a ranging market, if you have a W or M formation ending up exactly at the resistance given by the upper band or lower band of the range, you definitely have good probabilities for a reversal and a good trading opportunity. On the other side, if, for example, from here, the market will break this structure to the downside, then what will happen? We will have previous support, there was support also here, there was support also here, minor fake breakout here, but again, it was clear support here, that all this support is turned resistance at this area. So what does it mean? It means that if the market will go after the break to retest this area, then we have very good probabilities to be looking for a nice shorting opportunity on the retest of this area. If on lower time frames, we will have one of our valid entries. So with students, after the break and retest, we will definitely be monitoring price action inside of this area on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries for the move to the downside and completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. Plus, we will clearly also have confluences of the Fibonacci levels. If we take the Fibonacci from the high to the low of the impulse, that will be aligning with the structure of the range, and this will be a very good setup. So both of this are good probability setups. We just have to see what the market wants to show us and be reacting to what the market basically show us, because remember, trading is reactive, not predictive. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure to drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.